Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and well-being as we explore the power of mind-body practices. Today, we delve into the transformative potential of these ancient disciplines that connect the mind, body, and spirit. So, let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Imagine a world where your mind and body are in perfect harmony, where stress fades away, and inner peace prevails. Mind-body practices offer a pathway to this harmonious existence. At the heart of mind-body practices lies meditation. It is a journey inward, a moment of stillness amidst the chaos, where the mind finds clarity and the body finds calm. Yoga, a fusion of physical postures, breath control, and meditation, awakens the union of mind and body. With each stretch and flow, a sense of presence and self-awareness takes root. In graceful movements of Tai Chi, the body dances with energy, fostering balance, strength, and tranquility. The gentle flow of this ancient martial art nourishes the mind-body connection. Mindfulness, the art of being fully present, extends beyond seated meditation. It invites us to savor each moment, to notice the sensations of each step, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. From breathwork to progressive muscle relaxation, from sound healing to expressive arts therapies, mind-body practices offer a tapestry of techniques to explore and nurture the mind-body connection. Mind-body practices are a gateway to self-discovery. Through them, we learn to listen to the whispers of our bodies and embrace the wisdom within. These practices help us tap into our innate healing potential. They empower us to take charge of our well-being and create a life filled with balance, joy, and vitality. Mind-body practices create a sense of community, uniting individuals from all walks of life. Together, they embark on a shared journey of growth, support, and transformation. Mind-body practices have opened my eyes to a new way of being. I feel more connected to myself and those around me. These practices have taught me to slow down, to appreciate the present moment, and to find inner strength even in the midst of challenges. As we conclude this exploration of mind-body practices, we invite you to embrace the power within. Discover the incredible potential of these practices to transform your life, to nurture your mind, strengthen your body, and awaken your spirit. Embrace the journey of self-discovery. The power of mind-body practices awaits you.